Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back to the channel. We're not going to waste any time today. We're going to head ahead and roll that gloop. We're going to get into just an unboxing of my Boxycharms, and I want you to stay tuned. Hopefully you clicked on today's video because at the end we are having a giveaway. Roll the clip. Guys, so first thing is first, we always start out with my PR Boxycharm. So this time we're going to start out with my subscription Boxycharm. So this one is the subscription Boxycharm. This one is the PR box. So as you can see, there is a bit of a difference. Now, I have not been able to play with any of these things as of yet, and the majority of that reason is because once I saw the products, I was just like, and you guys know that I'm trying to be more mindful of things that I'm purchasing and adding to my collection. So a lot of this stuff I'm going to be giving away to you guys, of course. So hopefully Boxycharm is cool with that, and I will be invited back for the March campaign. If not, I love you, Boxycharm. It's been fun, but I have to think of my collection as a whole and, of course, give back to my subscribers because they are amazing and they totally deserve it. So jumping into the subscription box, let's see what we have. So the vibe for the month of February, of course, was XOXO. So we have 5 full-size products in here, and I'm going to start out with the one that I think people would be the most excited about, which is the palette, of course. Now, I did get the Ace Beauté. I think this is Nostalgica palette. This retails for $38.99. If you are familiar with the brand at all, you know they make amazing eyeshadows. So anyone would be happy to probably win this palette. It's very colorful. It's very pretty. I will open it up and give you guys a look. Actually, no, for sanitary reasons, I'm going to keep this closed because I am giving this one away. I'm going to post a picture here for you guys to go ahead and check that out. This says, the Nostalgica palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity as well as make you feel nostalgic. About some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. So one of you lucky girls or guys will win this beautiful palette. And if you are more so one of those of my girls or guys that likes the more neuter side of things, this will definitely help you step out of your comfort zone. The next product, they did insert some brushes from the brand Glamier. I'm not going to open this again for sanitary reasons. I will be giving this pack away. So, the Glamier Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection retails for $29.95. So just the brushes alone have covered the cost and then some of your Boxycharm subscription. If you didn't know, let me cut and take a break because I did forget to mention to you guys in the very beginning that if you are not familiar with Boxycharm, they are a $25 a month subscription box where you'll get 4 to 5 full-size items. Literally, you guys are mostly gonna get high-end skincare, you get hair care, majority makeup items. You're going to be introduced to a lot of high-end and indie brands that you may have never heard of. So it is a really great way to build your makeup collection. And just to let you guys know, these make absolutely wonderful gifts. If you go to their site and check it out, you can pick from different subscription tiers. Mainly, I like the base box. That is the cheapest box, starting again at only $25. And they do range from anywhere from $175. I've got one all the way up to $215 for only $25 a month. You cannot beat that. They also have the premium box, which will cost you a little bit more. And again, I will leave all of that information linked down below. So if you guys want to help support my channel, you can definitely check out the Boxycharm link below. Back to the video. Alright guys, so it says glittery, enchanting and fun. This set features an essential eye brush, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles, make blending easy and flawless. What I'm going to do real quick guys, this one is sealed, has not been opened. I'm actually going to open the set that I got in my PR Boxycharm so that I can show you guys these because they are pretty cute brushes. Now, I have heard of Glamier. I have never used any other products though. So you do get 4 brushes and they have glitter hearts inside of them. They're so cute. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a really cute brush set, and you do get the pouch with it. It's pink glitter. Every princess's dream. So moving on to the next product from Saturday Skin. Now please don't get upset with me, guys. This product I am keeping. This is one I've wanted to try out, and this is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. You guys know I live for a good sleep mask. So this product here retails for $29, and it is a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. Oh, this sounds like a dream for me. So it says the unique jelly texture mask is crafted with, I think it's yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. Wow, you know, that's another thing I love about Boxycharm, guys. You seriously learn something new just by reading the card. So really excited to try this. I'll take it out of the box and show you guys real quick. Oh, that's so cute. So it's a standard Saturday Skin packaging, and then the top of it has like a little citrus symbol. And it says you do get 1.69 full ounces. So really, really nice. Since I'm keeping it, I could show you guys. Oh, cool. So it does come with a little scooper, so you don't have to put your fingers inside of this, which I love when brands give you that. Oh, wow. It smells really good and citrusy. So that's what it looks like. It looks like it has lemon peel in it. Super cool. I'm really excited to use this. I will keep you guys updated, of course. Alright guys, so the next product is from St. Luxe Beauty. This is a limited edition liner duo. This lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips, blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get plump, kissable look. So these retail for $40. Unfortunately, this is a product I am gonna keep again, but you guys will get more than 5 items in the box. So just to let you know, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys these lip liners. I was really excited to get these. So you get one in the shade Love Letter, and the other one is in Secret Admirer. How cute for V-Day. So this shade here is called Love Letter. Mine's broken. Still gonna swatch it for you. Nice. So here is Love Letter. Just a nice pretty nude. We'll fix this later. And then the next shade is called Secret Admirer. I think there may have been something with like the distribution of these because mine's broken. So there is Secret Admirer, just really beautiful chocolate shade. These are nice and creamy and very pigmented. If you're interested in these and you can't you don't want to pay the full price for them, guys, I'm telling you, check my link out down below. Go to Macari. You're going to get a free $10 if you're a new sign up. And everybody's going to be selling those online for super duper cheap. They do it all the time. All right, moving on to the last and final product in my subscription Boxycharm is by Trestique. And this is their Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. If you are somebody that likes like more natural things and products that are like literally one and done, try out the brand Trestique. They make a lot of really cool products like that. So this retails for $44. Says an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil formulated for sensitive eyes features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. There is another one in my other box, spoiler alert. So I will be giving one of these away to you guys. So you do get the eyeliner, and here is the mascara. And I think this is what we're more so curious about. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch the eyeliner. It looks like a black. Ooh, y'all, that is like a gel, or like the wet liquid liner. Super creamy. Love that. Okay, so I'm excited to try that. Their packaging, by the way, if you've never seen or tried Trestique, is super cute. Like, it looks like a lip pencil here. Their lip crayons look like this too. So adorable. So here's the mascara. Flip down to curl. Oh, cool. So you can put your lashes in there and curl them. Okay. So really, really cool. And then your mascara is on the inside here. Ooh, I love the wand. So we will be using this in the month of March, guys, because it's almost end of the month, so I'm not going to add anything else to my February. So if you guys are wondering what the total of my subscription box that cost me $25 a month is, it is $181.94. So very, very, very good value for only $25. Again, you guys, I am going to be giving a box of this stuff away with a few more items that are not from Boxycharm. So I will tell you guys at the end of the video how you can enter and all of that. So let's move on to my PR Boxycharm here. I'm going to go ahead and take out the items that you guys already know that I received. Again, same theme. So putting this one in the other box, this is the same Trestique mascara, lash curler, and liner that I just showed you. So again, I did get the brush kit that retails for $44. The mascara by Trestique is $44. My apologies, the brush kit is $29. So again, the box is already paid for. Then I also got the NCLA So Rich treatment. So super cute, you guys. It's called Love Potion, and it is a vitamin infused or vitamin E infused cuticle oil. So I'm gonna shake this up because it has a little glitter hearts in it. Super cute. So love that. I love a good cuticle oil. However, I have one that I'm still working on and love, so I am going to be giving this to you guys. A little about the product. It is the NCLA Beauty So Rich Love Potion. You'll heart this limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. The cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. This retails for $18. Alright, so the next product that I got, I'm keeping this one. This is by Tula. I'm really, really excited. You guys know I am like hardcore ride or die over skincare. So this is Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliation Blackhead Scrub. I'm all about that. Got pores? Get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. This retails for $32. Okay. So the last and final product that I did receive in my PR box is by Wander Beauty, and this is the Getaway and Face Palette. So this says your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So if you guys don't know about Wander Beauty, a lot of their products they do infuse with skincare, so sometimes I feel like you can justify the price that way. They do make some really good products if you haven't tried them out. This eye and face palette will set you back $36. So let's go ahead, total up the PR box, and see what the total cost value was. Alright guys, so the total value of my PR box is $159.95. So as you can see, again, this is another reason that I respect Boxycharm, is that just because they're sending you a PR box does not always mean that it's going to be a higher value than the other base boxes. They're literally sending you version 1 or version 2, and that's another reason that I really like them, is because I feel like they do keep it fair. That's just my opinion. It's been my experience with them. I think they're fantastic, and I think that the value of the products that they give us in our boxes are really good for the amount that you're paying for them. That's just my personal opinion. Even as a customer, I have never had any issues with missing product. I've never had any issues with like palettes coming broken. I assume that if I did, that they would replace it or, you know, give me charms in order to go shopping in the charm store or anything like that. So, yeah, I think they're a great value. I really do. And I really do think that they make amazing gifts. I've been gifted a Boxycharm subscription from a girlfriend, and I've also given Boxycharm as a gift. And everybody that I've, you know, talked to about it so far, like personally in person, has been really, really happy. I mean, it's helping them build their makeup collection and otherwise try brands that they may have not have tried. So, all right, guys, moving on to the information about the giveaway. You have to be subscribed to my channel, please do not subscribe to unsubscribe. If I find out that people are doing that, I will block you from my channel and all my other social media. And obviously, of course, you'd be banned from future giveaways. It's just not fair to those that take their personal time to watch my videos and support literally everything that I do. So moving on to rule number 2. Guys, I need your help. I am trying to build my audience on Instagram. It's just very, very important to me, not only as a content creator, but it's also important to companies when it comes to my audience size. I can't get the swipe up feature because I'm too small. I can't get the check mark because I'm too small. It just really, really helps me as a content creator to grow even more. So I would love to have you come follow me over on my Instagram. So that's rule number 2. I do also need your profile to be not private. It cannot be private because then I can't confirm. So I also need you to like this video, so thumbs up. If I cannot verify that you liked the video, unfortunately, if I pick your name, I will have to go with somebody else. So make sure that you send me a screenshot in my email, it's linked down below, that you did in fact like the video. Make sure that you check the description box for the giveaway date. And please, in the comments, don't put anything about a giveaway or anything like that because I'm choosing not to put it in the title. Yeah, so please don't mention the giveaway down in the comments. Thanks, guys. All right, so that's all of the rules. Like the video and send me a screenshot via email. Be subscribed to my channel. Of course, thumbs up the video. You want to make sure that your post notifications as well are turned to on. That way you are seeing giveaways, sale posts, all of my uploads, things like that. You don't want to miss out on any of the fun. All right, guys, thank you so much. I want to say good luck to you. I hope that you win. Yes, I'm talking to you. Don't look at the person behind you. You. I want to say thank you guys, as always, for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. It truly means the world to me, and I'm so thankful, and I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are being safe out there. I want to know down below, what did you get in your Boxycharm? Were you happy with it? What do you think they could have done better? Let's chat down below. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.